Welcome back to Auto Extreme Hub, your go-to source for the latest and most exciting updates in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on breaking news, in-depth reviews, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the official unveiling of the next generation 2025 Tesla Model S new series, packed with groundbreaking technology and performance upgrades. Tesla has officially taken the wraps off the 2025 Model S new series, setting a new benchmark for electric sedans. This latest version comes with an even more powerful tri-motor Plaid Plus powertrain, pushing an astonishing 1,150 horsepower. With this immense power, the car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.79 seconds, making it one of the fastest production vehicles on the planet. The top speed has also been raised to 225 miles per hour, offering an unmatched driving experience. Battery advancements play a crucial role in this update, with Tesla introducing a next-gen ultra-dense battery pack that extends the driving range to a remarkable 480 miles per charge. Charging speeds have been significantly enhanced, with the new supercharger i5 technology adding 250 miles in under 10 minutes, making long trips more convenient than ever. From the outside, the 2025 Model S gets a futuristic redesign featuring a lower, more aggressive stance, reworked aerodynamics, and an all-new cyber titanium color exclusive to this model. The updated LED headlights and a sleeker rear diffuser not only improve aesthetics, but also contribute to better performance and efficiency. Inside, Tesla has taken luxury to another level. The redesigned interior features a stunning 18-inch AI-powered OLED infotainment system with seamless voice and gesture controls. The controversial yoke-style steering wheel returns, now refined with improved responsiveness and haptic feedback. The seats are upgraded with premium vegan leather, heating, cooling, and massage functions for ultimate comfort. Tesla's signature panoramic glass roof remains, providing a spacious and airy cabin experience. For entertainment and convenience, the Model S comes with a 30-speaker Dolby Atmos surround sound system, an advanced driver assist package with Level 3 full self-driving capabilities, and a next-generation AI-driven safety suite that enhances collision avoidance, lane centering, and autopilot precision. Pricing for the 2025 Tesla Model S new series starts at $98,500 for the base model, while the high-performance Plaid Plus variant, loaded with every possible upgrade, is priced around $140,000. Pre-orders are already open, and deliveries are set to begin in early 2025. What are your thoughts on the new Tesla Model S? Is this the future of high-performance electric sedans? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Extreme Hub for more exciting updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.